Hey guys, it's Megan and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree fall DIY I wanted to share. It's super easy, and I also have a little Dollar Tree decorating with me that I will put also at the end. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you do, and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Now let's get into the DIY.
For this DIY, I used this bucket that I got from Dollar Tree during spring. I love this bucket so much, but if you don't have this on hand, you could use a box from their gift wrapping section. I also used this little candle stand that is at Dollar Tree. If not, they have other little candle stands, and this vase from Dollar Tree. Everything's from Dollar Tree, what am I saying? And then I used this raffia, and I also used these clip-on white pumpkins that I showed in a recent haul. I took this burlap. I had this burlap on hand. You could get this at any of the craft stores, or you can just use the burlap that you can get from Dollar Tree. And then the last thing I needed for this DIY were these candles. I used 2 of them because I wanted the candle to appear taller. So if you don't want it to be taller, you can just use 1. But again, I wanted it to look taller, so I used 2 of them. I stuck the candle holder inside to give it some more height, so when the candle was inside, it would be, sticking out of the bucket. Then I took this raffia and I just kind of spread it around in the bucket. I had an intention of using it totally different, but this is the first time I've worked with this, and it wasn't as easy to work with as I thought, but it's okay. If you know how to work with it better, you can make it look a lot better than mine, but I actually like the way it ended up turning out. You'll see what I do with it a little bit more at the end, but I just ended up using 2 of them and spread them around the whole bucket. I just clipped the pumpkins on different parts of the bucket and spread it around. Obviously, if you wanted to do more pumpkins, you could do more or less. This is just an idea of what I did, and I just kind of played with it until I found an area that I liked it in and could hide the little clip as best I could. I know you can also take the clip out as well if you wanted to glue it onto there. I had on hand these cotton stems with the pine cones on it, so I wanted to go ahead and add some cotton in there. My Dollar Tree hasn't had any of the just pure cotton stems. They've had this with the mixture in it, so I just popped the cotton stems off and added it in, as well as popping some of the little pine cones off of there, and I placed those around too. Next, I wanted to cover the flowers and gardens. Obviously, you could just leave that showing if you wanted to, but I thought it would be cute to add the burlap around it. So I just added the burlap around and hot glued it so that it would stay in place. I ended up just taking some scissors and cutting the raffia in the middle so that it had some open ends sticking up around, so it kind of looked a little bit more like hay coming out. That's all I did for this DIY. It was super easy, it didn't take a lot of time, and I think it turned out really cute. You can make 2 of these and use them as centerpieces on your dining table or lots of different areas. Right now I just have it set up here, but I will probably move it somewhere else once I get out the rest of my decor. I love the way it turned out, and it's putting that fall feel in the air. Well, not really, but it's putting the fall feel in my home. I had my 3-tier tray filled with stuff that I had it for spring and summer, and those vases, I had the green moss rocks from Dollar Tree. I wanted to take them out and get my 3-tier tray emptied out so I can decorate for fall, and I figured I would incorporate some of the greenery into this little tray that I have. I got it from Hobby Lobby for like $6 when they had that huge sale this summer. So it was a great buy. So I just added the moss that I had in my 3-tier tray and the moss rocks right into it. I also added some cotton stems that I had in my 3-tier tray right on over into it. I added in the pumpkins that I showed from a recent Dollar Tree haul, and I think it looks so cute. As of editing this, I now have my decor down from my attic, but I haven't gone through it yet. So these are just the pumpkins that I bought this year since I haven't gone through my new decor, but I just wanted a little bit of pumpkin fall feel in my home. I love the green mixed in with the pumpkins because I've said in recent videos I'm trying to incorporate a little bit more green into my fall this year. So I think this turned out really cute and a good way to use any of the moss or green moss rocks that you might have on hand from Dollar Tree into your fall decor as well. I hope you guys enjoy checking out this DIY and this little decorate with me. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will have more DIYs coming, and decorate with me video will be coming very soon, so stay tuned, and thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.